Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger the updated way. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing we need to do, of course, is we need to open our messenger right here, and from here you want to tap at the upper left, so the three horizontal bars, and from here you want to tap on the settings icon right there. And you want to go scroll all the way to the bottom and go to Account Center, see more in Account Center, tap on it. And from here you would see it right here. So you want to go into personal details next. And from here you want to go account ownership and control. And from here you want to go into deactivation or deletion right there. And from here you want to go into your Facebook. Tap on this one. But as you can see, it says deactivated except Messenger. So for you to be able to deactivate your Messenger, the most important thing that you need to complete first is that you must first deactivate your Facebook account. So if you don't know how to do that, then I have a video on how to do that. Then you can search it up in my channel and you can watch that first before doing this step right here. So from here you want to go into deactivated accept Messenger. So this is the Facebook one, so you want to tap on it once you're done deactivating your Facebook account first. And from here you can either delete or deactivate Messenger. So this is gonna delete your Facebook account, but all we have to do, or all we want to do, is deactivate Messenger. So we'll just choose this one and go click on continue. And after that, we need to provide our password. So now after you have provided your password, tap on continue. And from here, you would be able to deactivate your Messenger. You're about to temporarily deactivate Messenger. You can reactivate at any time by logging into your Messenger just like that. It's the same step in reactivating your Facebook. So tap on deactivate Messenger so that we can now deactivate. And see, as you can see at the bottom, my account is now deactivated. And just like that, you have successfully deactivated your Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.